So the bass are not biting anymore. So we're goofing around on YouTube and we've seen somebody magnet fishing and like finding old junk and old lures and
I think it's still going.
Pocket knives. Keep going, Maddie.
Okay.
Let's see, what do we got? The first find.
Jig head.
Let's see. Here we go. We got a jig head. It's a piece of garbage and a hook. So we've lost like a million lures at this little lake here. So we're gonna see.
Let's try and drag it.
If we can find some of them back. All right, Maddie, let's pull it up and see if we found anything.
We're pirates pulling in the anchor. Sort of.
Let's see. Is there anything on the bottom? We got skunked. Nothing. I think Mom has a much better magnet. Here, let's try it again.
Okay. Do you think I should try and throw it out?
No, let's just drop it down.
Is it the right way?
Keep going. There you go. Just come pull it up over the side now. Let's see. It looks like you might have something.
What is it? Is it just going to be nothing?
What is that? It's part of a Bic lighter. Part of a Bic lighter.
I don't know.
There you go. Your first treasure. It's garbage.
Should we just toss it back?
No, don't throw it back. We'll clean it up. We'll put it in a bucket. So.
Look what we just caught. Part of a big lighter.
I was hoping we'd get like a whole bunch of fishing lures. You got something? Huh?
Yep.
Holy moly, what in the heck is that?
Man.
It's a rod holder. That is a rod holder. You stab it in the ground, it holds your fishing rod
Oh, we could
while
use
you're
that.
bobber fishing or cat fishing or whatever. What in the world? Look at that.
Can you go bring our bucket?
That is a ginormous. That's a freaking stringer. It's a fish stringer.
And then.
And just a big chunk of angle iron. Well, we don't do any catfishing, but we found something that wasn't garbage. Maddie, we did not pick that up with our magnet at all.
I don't know how far are we. Wow, this is just not fair.
Should we keep trying with ours, or should we?
You guys want to switch? How about we switch after we do the whole dog?
We got something, Maddie. Let's go check it out.
Toenail clippers. Little old school. No, toenail clippers.
Look at this. Look at this.
It looks just
This is like a little
multi-tool.
fishing multi-tool thing.
Yeah,
It's got a bottle opener on it.
that's sweet.
I don't know what this thing is. Like a little crappy little pocket knife. Made in Taiwan. Look at that treasure. Treasure. What in the world do we got here? Okay, let's see. What is that? Oh my gosh, it's a minnow net.
Okay.
What a giant treasure.
Okay, you drop it.
What else?
A hook.
There's also
Two
a hook
hooks.
on there.
And then a tiny bolt.
Some junky
Okay,
hooks and a
let me-
little screw.
This one's pretty fresh.
What do you got?
There's a spring on here.
A spring, let's see it.
And it had a stick in it.
A spring with a stick in it. Oh my gosh,
And
a
then-
little spring. Oh, look at that. We got a fishing lure.
Do-do-do-do-do.
Look at that. We got a little rusty little jig. I don't think it's no good, Maddie. The hook is all rusted up.
Well, at least we
Bam,
Fine.
treasure. Here, Madison, here. Ready?
You gonna wing it?
You need to hold the end of the line.
I still get to.
Just the very end.
I still get to bring it in, right?
Hold it real tight. Okay. Ready?
Don't pull off my arm.
Oh, geez.
I got it!
I didn't think Maddie was going to be able to hold it. Holy cow. I was running to grab the line.
That
Just
was
drag it nice and
fun.
slow. Yeah, Daddy almost ruined his other shoulder there.
But I saved your life.
I thought I was gonna pull it out of your hand. Let's pull it up and see what you got.
Okay, what do we got?
Let's see what we got here. The tiniest fish hook ever. Look at that little fish
We're
hook.
getting so much more luck, even though
Miniature. Super tiny. Look at this tiny fish hook.
I want to be the one to bring it up.
So basically what we did here, we went and bought this magnet. This is a 150-pound magnet. It costs like $15. And we bought this magnet. This is an 80-pound magnet. And it was like $8. And it's a piece of crap. So if you see this magnet, don't go buy it. It doesn't work. So don't buy this one. But then we just got some 120-pound nylon rope, and it was pretty cool. The kids had a lot of fun. We caught some junk. If nothing else, we just cleaned up the lake a little bit. So
Oh, it's
go
heavy.
do some magnet fishing. All right, we'll see you later.